My fellow gardeners, this is Gardening with Mel, and we're out here today harvesting our green onion seeds. Now that I have a green onion that has went to flower, I want to go ahead and collect those seeds, and I want to show you how to do that so that way you can continue to grow green onions in your garden. As you can see here, I have a green onion plant that I've had here for a couple of years now. This is going on the third year, I think. And every year it goes to flower. And what you have to do is you have to let the flower actually dry out as much as it possibly can. Now, I may have let this dry out a little bit longer than what I normally do, but I just hadn't been able to get out here to get to it. But I just wanted to show you that you do have to let the flower actually dry out so that way you can extract the seeds. And I have a plastic Ziploc bag that I'm going to attempt to clip the flower right into the bag, and I may have to turn the camera off and come back to it because I can only do this with two hands and not one. But we're going to show you what it looks like when it gets into the bag. But you get the idea. You want to get that flower to drop right into the bag so that way you can collect your seeds. So we'll be right back. As you can see, I've got the flowers into the bag, and as you can see, as I shake it, the seeds are just falling right into the corner there of the bag. So that's the goal, is to kind of shake the seeds around in there, the flower, until all those little black seeds kind of fall out of the flower. And then that's how you can just easily separate them. And then the results of it is this. I'm going to show you where in my garden that I actually grew some green onions from some flowers from another season. And just to kind of give you an idea of what they look like. So here are some green onion seeds that I had harvested from that same big large green onion, and I planted some of those seeds in here, and there's some green onions growing in here. And you can just cut them off as you like or pull them. And right now, since there's a pretty bad drought here, I'm trying to keep them alive as much as possible by continuing to water them and continue. But whenever you just need a little part of a green onion, just come out here and clip off what you need, and that's basically the goal of it, so that way you don't have any waste. So the next time you go to the store and get you some green onions, save that bottom part of the green onions actually in a jar of water and just kind of let those roots reform again. And then once the roots reform, come out here and stick it in the ground in your garden in a spot that you want it for it to continue to grow. And this is the result of it. You'll get a big, huge green onion that'll just continue to grow, and you continue to cut from it whenever you need some green onions. So there you have it. It's just that simple. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching my videos, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe button so that way you don't miss out on another video from Gardening with Mel. May your gardens be blessed.